If you have to devise or make up music for a production during rehearsals, how do you do that?
It's kind of like I was saying earlier, really listening to what the text needs, what does the play need, and I think going off that. And also, if you're lucky enough to be working with other acting musicians, it's really bouncing off each other. You know, for this rehearsal process we're doing with Getting There, my castmate Jodan's brought his banjo, and that's affected the kind of music we're creating, and it's using that and seeing what you can create together and making sure you don't go into your own little hobbit hole of making music.
Oh, it's been fun with Box Clever, because I do remember with one of your directors, Philippe Charbonnier, I remember composing in the room, and he says, "Oh, just add something, just those few lines, just add some music to it." And I remember, oh, I think that's the first bit that I've composed for a professional production. You know, you might compose at home or write something or a love song, and it was so I do actually remember that. I think some theatre productions where they can draw upon the large skill set of the actors that are musicians as well, they might ask them to just embellish the story, to fluff it up with some music. Whereas in other productions, it might be there's a specific musical director, there might be a composer, or it might come as a piece that has a score anyway, so that's more complicated. But I quite like the let's devise it, let's create it, let's throw into the mix different sounds, different instrumentations, different voices, if you like, from all those different pieces.
I think you just have to be very open to the people you're working with, and you have to understand people's strengths and what people can do and what they can offer. Usually you do find one person who is a very good composer who can create music very easily, and then you'll find somebody who's very good at putting little harmonies over. You've just got to find your strength in the room, and you have to offer what you can.